demo of the VideoExpress AI application. You can now create any style of video that you desire in just a few clicks from a single text prompt. Let's create 2 styles of videos complete with automated voiceovers, captions, transitions, and effects in record time. I'll start off with videos with real humans, and then we will do 3D animated Pixar or Disney style videos. And along the way, I'll show you practical use cases of our other revolutionary features. Let's create a professional looking video with a real human with a cinematic feel to it. So all you have to do is go to create from prompt and just have your script written down here. I just have a beautiful female model with long black hair, and then I'm gonna just do the image tab. This is gonna have a human in it. I'm just gonna generate image preview. So it's gonna generate the first frame for the video that you're creating, the video clip. So basically, you can create a timeline based upon this. So here we go. We have the first image. Now what you can do is we have a built-in consistent character feature where you can reuse the same person that's out here throughout all the clips and the entire video sequence. So for example, let's click on reuse the same character. And if I just want her to, let's say female model dancing. Let's say you want her to dance, right? So you just click on reuse, and then you can just generate the image preview again. There we go. It just generated her in a dancing frame. So this is another sequence that we're creating. And then let's say I just want the same person again, because we have the reuse, the same character utilized here. If you want her to be used again in maybe doing yoga, right? So doing yoga, right? So now all these sequences will create the first frame preview. There we go. It's just created as with her doing yoga. And then let's say you want to sell a perfume. So you can say holding a vintage perfume in her hands, right? And then generate. So basically, again, there we go. Now in this sequence, she's holding a perfume in her hands, and on, right? So I can just create a few scenes like this. And then once I do that, all I have to do is basically click on create video, okay, for each one of these sequences. So I'll just create video. I click on that, and then once I'll show you how this looks like. There we go, our clips are ready. So you can just drag and drop these into the timeline like so, and then you can even play it like what I'm showing you right now. So you can just preview these things like so, and then you can see that right here. Beautiful, right? So you can preview the different elements of the videos that you've done and then add them in, and then we go into the actual text effects. So we want to add, let's say once we put all these beautiful clips in and put it into a video, all you do now is basically you go in to import media, and then you click on text to speech, and then here you can use any realistic voice. We have tons of them. I like Sarah's voice here, and I want her to be excited or cheerful, and I can add emotions to that voice. I can change the speed slightly a little bit to make it fast-paced because it's a social media project. And then let's paste the script. It can be any script, and there we go. Or you can choose from our ready-made scripts as well right here, and then click on import. Boom, in just a couple of seconds. Watch it in real time. This is done. Now all you have to do is just drag and drop into the timeline. There we go. So in the timeline, as you can see here, I have the actual voiceover here, and then I have all the sequences here. It just took me a couple of minutes, and then you can put background music and that sort of thing. One cool thing you can also do is use something called fast cuts, which is going to basically automatically apply transitions into all the videos you create. Perfect for social media. Click on it, just tell it what track it is. So in this particular case, my video is in track number 2. As you can see here, this is track number 2, as you can see here. And then boom, automatically it's going to do the automatic transitions and all that kind of good stuff. And then once that is done, all you have to do is use our automatic captions feature right here, and boom, then you will get a video that looks like this.
In a world of endless stories, one fragrance captures the essence of elegance, a scent designed for a woman who writes her own destiny. Introducing Vintage Perfumes, the fragrance that celebrates every facet of her strength and femininity, crafted for the moments that matter, from sunlit mornings to evening under the stars. Each note a whisper, a memory, a dream caught in the breeze. This is more than a perfume, it's a journey, a declaration of beauty and power that lingers. Embrace your story, embrace Vintage Perfumes. Discover the essence of elegance.
Let's say you want to create a video with an astronaut. So you just type in the prompt, astronaut gracefully surfing the waves. You put the type human. Let's say you want to extend the prompt. You extend the prompt, right? Which you can use the prompt extender, automatically does that. And by the way, if you want to remove the negative prompts, you can remove them too. It doesn't really matter. Our system is so smart, it can figure it out on its own. There we go. It generates as one frame of the actual video. and then there we go. Just click on the create video button here, and then for every single frame here, it generates a beautiful looking scene that you can merge together in our inline video editor with multiple layers and create a beautiful looking scene like this. Watch this.
Our supplements are designed to boost your energy, enhance your focus, and keep you going, no matter where your adventures take you. With cutting-edge science and the purest ingredients, Fast supplements are your ally in conquering the day or galaxy.
And you can also do the same thing for 3D as well. So in the case of 3D, you're just going to create prompt, and then in this case, you're just going to type in image type 3D, and then their style, cinematic, 3D model, and that sort of thing. You're going to start off with a 3D Pixar Disney style animated cartoon mouse surfing the sea or winds and that sort of thing, and it'll generate an image that looks like this. And then you just click on generate video, and you should be good to go. There's so many other cool features, like the ability to increase the length of your video using AI, where it's going to create animations and frames on its own, and also the ability to add text effects, animations, cropping style, or you can convert it into a vertical video and a portrait video. You can remove objects from your scenes and add objects, meaning video in painting using our in painting technology. And on top of that, you also have the ability to actually add background music, text to speech, and so many other cool things that you can do with the videos that you create. It's a full-fledged AI video editing and creation platform right from your computer screen. We also have a really extensive public gallery where you can actually check out all the creations from other VideoExpress AI users, reuse them, get ideas from them, and on top of that, we have an extensive roadmap to make VideoExpress AI the best AI prompt to video application in the planet. So check out all the details below. We are super excited to have you on board. Click on the button below to get started and have fun using VideoExpress AI.